Welcome back to my channel Anjan's Tech Treasure. Today we read the OnePlus Nord 4 5G. This smartphone has generated a lot of excitement and for good reason. With its impressive specs and features, it promises to deliver an outstanding user experience. Let's dive into what makes this device stand out in the competitive mid-range market. First off, let's talk about the display. The OnePlus Nord 4 boasts a stunning 6.74-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2772 x 1240. This results in vibrant colors and deep contrasts. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures that everything feels ultra smooth, from scrolling through social media to gaming. Plus, with a peak brightness of 2150 nits, outdoor visibility is exceptional. Whether you're watching videos or playing games, this display enhances your viewing experience significantly. It's perfect for media consumption, making it a great choice for anyone who values screen quality. Now, let's get into performance. The OnePlus Nord 4 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor. This chip ensures that the device can handle heavy tasks and demanding games with ease. Users can choose between configurations of up to 12GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. This means multitasking is seamless with no lag when switching between apps. Whether you're gaming, streaming or browsing, the Nord 4 delivers a smooth experience. It's a powerhouse that caters to both casual users and tech enthusiasts alike. Next, let's talk about the camera system. The Nord 4 features a 50MP main camera with optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 16MP front camera. The main camera excels in daylight, capturing detailed and colorful images that pop. Whether you're snapping photos at a picnic or capturing a sunset, the results are impressive. On the other hand, the ultra-wide camera offers decent quality but can sometimes produce cooler tones. While it's great for landscapes and group shots, it may not be as vibrant as the main camera. The 16MP front camera is perfect for selfies, delivering clear and sharp images, making it ideal for social media. Battery life is another strong point of the OnePlus Nord 4. It comes equipped with a substantial battery that ensures you stay powered throughout the day, combined with fast charging capabilities. You can quickly recharge and get back to using your device without long interruptions. Whether you're gaming, streaming or just using it for daily tasks, you won't have to worry about running out of battery. This feature is a significant plus for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Additionally, the Nord 4 includes some neat features that enhance usability. One of these is Aqua Touch, which improves usability in wet conditions. This means you can use your phone even when your hands are wet, making it practical for everyday use. The device also features an accurate in-display fingerprint sensor, which adds to its convenience and security. Unlocking the phone is quick and seamless, providing an efficient user experience. In summary, the OnePlus Nord 4 5G brings a lot to the table, from its stunning AMOLED display and powerful performance to its impressive camera system and robust battery life. It's a well-rounded device for anyone looking for a smart mid-range option. The added features like Aqua Touch and the in-display fingerprint sensor make it even more appealing. If you're in the market for a new smartphone that balances performance and price, the OnePlus Nord 4 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Anjan's Tech Treasure for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the OnePlus Nord 4 or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy tech shopping.